Yo, 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 yo. Sunday market outlook a little late today. It's 10:30, but we here. All right. We are here. Let's get into it. US 30 looking for buys off rip. You know, zoom out to the 4 hour. We had a level of support that we respected, and that level of support is right here. Okay, we caught some sells on Friday into this zone. We caught sells from right here, right down to the zone. It was perfectly touched before finding support and heading to the upside. Overall, as you see, based on the 4 hour, we are making higher highs and higher lows. Therefore, we can hop in for a short-term buy, but overall, we want to remember that buys are stronger. So with that being said, based on our 30-minute, right, if we draw a trend line from point A to point B, make it gold, point A, we were under the EMAs, we broke above them, we broke above the trend line, now we're on top of the EMAs. So what I want to see is price drop and create the first or second, in this case, higher low. So we can take this back up to our TP1 and or TP2. I'm not targeting nothing crazy. Boom. 250 points. 350. That's it. Could we potentially go all the way back up here? For sure. Maybe I'll hold a runner, but really just focus on our TP1 and TP2, and that is based off of the 15-minute fib I had drawn up right here. We're consolidating around the 23.6, so we don't need to come this deep. I would like to. Getting a nice 61.8 print would allow me to higher my contract size a little bit, make a little bit of extra money. But a 23.6 continuation is cool too. But I don't know, I'm not feeling a 23.6 continuation. I feel like market open, we will get a spike down, create support somewhere in this area before continuing up. So that's what I'm looking for. US 30. Let's put it on the screen. Excuse me. The deepest we want to go is this is a nice area, 48, 480, 48,000, 480. US 30 buys after another higher low is created around 48,480. And that lines up perfectly with our trend line too, so boom. Move our blue line, make it red. It's the target area. Targeting this red line. Let's look at gold. Man, I really thought I really thought off rip we were gonna get some sales down to this area. I mean, it's still possible. It is not. Let me clear everything off here. It's got too much. Too much. Like, we have this impulse down, right? If this next 4 hour candle can come close below this old resistance right here, definitely we could see some sells. But gold is on so much of a tangent that it's showing buys. But I see sells. This nice resistance point broke above, used as support multiple times. I see sells because of this impulse to the downside. At first we get a 23.6. It fails to continue to our negative 27. If we draw to there, we got a 38 point. Alright, so what invalidates this 38.2% is the fact that we never created a lower low after printing on that. So after we print on a 38.2, the next projection is our negative 27, which would create a lower low, but we failed to do that. So that invalidates this 38.2 retracement as a print. So I actually do see why the sells wouldn't be valid in this case. But hey, maybe we're going deeper to create a 61.8 before continuing down to negative 27. That's possible, but that's what I think. What I'm seeing is opportunities to buy on lower time frames. But yeah, I'm trying out TradeSync too. So I took a couple positions. This is my TradeSync. So we have my Top Step accounts. Both of my Top Step accounts, right, are linked with my Apex funded right here. So my Top Step is the leader, so I took a trade on my Top Step and it automatically, I can't do it to show you because I locked my account because I lost unnecessary $40, which really equals 100 across 3 accounts. Look, negative 37, negative 37, negative 34. So total P&L for the day is negative 109 across these 3 accounts. And yeah, it's a cool little gadget. I like it so far, I really do. I have other, like my Tradeovate, I have 2 other accounts. I got a 300k and a 150k. I don't have them connected to anything though. And yeah, it's just cool stuff. Maybe I'll look for some gold trades tomorrow, but really focus on US 30. MES looking good for some sells though. S&P 500. Draw Fibonacci. Boom, we got a 78.6 print. Drop right to our negative 27.0. TP1. Who's to say we don't get a drop right to TP2 on MES? I don't know why I'm analyzing this right now, but probably because I'm going to link with Albert to do a live trading session tomorrow, and this is what he trades. So shout out Albert. We gonna make some bread tomorrow together. Ooh. mark this up since this is what I'll be taking my trades on tomorrow. The Top Step Terminal. We coming back. We have $800 or $780 of risk left on these funded accounts, and we're gonna come back tomorrow. I feel it's gonna be a good, nice $2,000 day. We're gonna get in profit $700, and then our Apex account is gonna be positive 2,200. It's gonna be a good day tomorrow. Gotta go finish editing a YouTube video. Right here, my first trade of 2026. Most traders would have closed here, but I understand structure. Patience is the edge. Yeah, let me get to this. Thank you for tuning in to the Sunday Market Outlook. US 30 is the focus all week. It's the main. We are looking for a higher low to buy at. That's what we're doing right now with US 30. As long as we stay above here, we're good for the buys. Bam. Nice 1 to 4 for TP1 and a 1 to 5 for TP2. See if we get TP2 tomorrow. Smack it. Gonna lead us up there. Alright, man. Thank y'all for tuning in. Gold. Oh no. Oh no. We gotta come up, create a higher high, and then another higher low to really be thinking about any buys on gold. So NASDAQ, I didn't go over NASDAQ sells. Just created lower lows and lower highs. So stick with structure. But then again, NASDAQ, I have a big candle like this and then recover all in one. So we'll see. $88.6 strategy on NAS. Hold up, watch this. Is this a 300K account? Yeah. Limit order 88. Risk 13, 4, 5 bands. You know what? Now let's complete the challenge. We need how much bread to pass this? 15,500. Let's just go with 5 bands for now. We'll minus 13. So I even have 13 to risk. I don't, well, yeah, that's all I have to risk. 1491 to risk. So if all I have is 14, let's just be smart and just do 3 contracts instead of 5. So I have 2 bullets left instead of giving myself 1. Let's do 3 contracts. Buy limit, 3 contracts. Put a date 8.6. Stop at the 100. Take profit. Nice structure point and the 38.2, which is TP2. 2 bands. Sorry, we could use it for risk. So let's see what's up with that. We might wake up to just profit off rep. Silver. Silver sells right down to here would be nice, but I'm not trading right now. Alright, man, I'm off. US 30 buys after another high low is created. Only after another high low is created. Okay? We'll see how we look tomorrow morning. Waking up at 6, going to the gym, be done by 7:30. Come back home, shower, and then going to link with Albert downtown Claremont coffee shop for our live trading session. And yeah, I'll be live. I'm gonna bring my computer so I could tap in with y'all at the coffee shop so y'all could see me make this bread live. Alright, thank you guys for tuning in. Drew Charts here, and I will see you tomorrow for our live trading session.